If you work with wires, cable, come close, come close, come close. You are the reason why I'm here today. So as you can see here, I have here with me. This is a die. Is a die. So if you're into wires, cable, you have something to do. You work with those. I mean copper wires and aluminium wires or cable, and they are your tools. So come close. So this is a welding die. Yeah, most time while working with those copper or aluminium wire, you see that they break. Yeah, so the machine that we use to join them together. So this is the die. This is the die of that machine. So we have it in different sizes. We have 0.3, we have 2.088. So we have different sizes. We have 2.47. So we have, these are different dies for the cold welding machine. So like as I said, let me just show this cold welding machine. You can see it there. So a cold welding machine, it joins wires together, aluminium wire, copper wire, without heat. It joins them together. So back here, if you need any of this die for joining of your wire, or maybe you need both the die and the machine, reach out to us. Or we also have the extruder machine. The extruder machine also uses die. So this is the die for the extruder machine. We also have it. Maybe you are into cable production and you need the die for your extruder machine. So that extruder die, that's what shapes the cable insulation for protection and durability. So if you need, is it this extruder die that you need for your machine, for your extruder machine, or it's this cold welding machine die, you need any of them, so reach out to us immediately. We are here in Ikeja, Lagos State. So we have it available here already for pickup. So you can reach out to us for any of these die. You don't need to stress yourself again in wire welding of your wires, and also your extruder. You can reach out to us for any of these machine parts that you need. So thank you. See you. So if you need any of them, just drop your contact details in the comment section. We also put our contact on the write-up section of this video, so you can reach out to us for any of them. We have it available here. So thank you.